dangerous, and captivating. Watch colossal machines at work and immerse yourself in moments of pure exhilaration. Let's dive in. Ever felt like David facing Goliath, but with a chainsaw and a really big tree? Don't worry, we've got this. Call in the cavalry, your neighbor and their trusty tractor. Make a few strategic cuts and bam! Physics wins again. Who needs muscles when you've got brains? Raise your hand if you're done with back-breaking firewood chores. The Oak Series wood splitter is here to save the day. And you're back. 25 tons of power and a 6-second cycle time? Yeah, it's that good. Say goodbye to sweat and hello to effortless firewood. Battling those monstrous stumps? The custom stump splitter from Sunrise. Excavating is your one-man wrecking crew. This powerhouse delivers demolition-grade force, turning those stubborn giants into mulch. It's time to reclaim your land and say goodbye to those pesky roots. Outlander versus tree stumps? Outlander wins. Seriously though, this is awesome. But remember folks, safety first. Only try this with dead stumps and decayed roots. Let's keep those Outlanders and our yards in one piece. Whoa, check this out. We've stumbled upon a real game changer. I used to think huge logs belonged at the sawmill, but this guy and his Holzforma G888 are turning that notion on its head. Slicing through a massive oak like it's butter. With 8.7 horsepower packed into just 11.6 kilograms, it's the definition of a portable sawmill. Forget chainsaws. This thing is a lumberjack's fantasy made real. I'll be honest, Komatsu has once again raised the bar in forestry equipment. The 895's performance in snowy conditions is a testament to their engineering prowess. Operator comfort and safety remain paramount, ensuring optimal productivity even in challenging environments. This machine is a clear leader in its class. The PSP pole and post peeler represents a significant advancement in log processing efficiency. Its capacity to handle logs of varying sizes, combined with its impressive processing speed, positions it as a valuable asset for any operation seeking to optimize productivity. Moorbark's innovative design ensures a superior finish, further enhancing its appeal. This ripper attachment might not win any beauty contests, but its performance is undeniable. It's a testament to Kobelco's engineering prowess, seamlessly integrating with the SK160's hydraulic system for optimal power and efficiency. Observe the precision with which it penetrates the soil, effortlessly removing roots and stumps. This minimalist tool delivers maximum impact, showcasing the true potential of the SK160 in land clearing operations.
Because you flick them and then the rocks flick off the top. They're easy. Whoa. I think I'll end up breaking this stump apart before. Oh no, she's coming. That's what I thought. Break it apart. She's old. When they're old like that, they'll just break in a couple pieces, which is good. Shake it out. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm just gonna pile into a nice pile.
Say goodbye to back-breaking stump removal. The CBI stump shear is a game changer. Its powerful steel jaw and hydraulics make even the toughest stumps look like toothpicks. It's like watching a wood-eating dinosaur in action, and it's so satisfying. If you're serious about clearing land, this is the tool you need. Oh my god, my worst nightmare has come true. Thank goodness no one was hurt. Holy smokes! With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT, 800 mulcher beast on the scene, that unlucky stump picked the wrong fight. The solitude, the challenge, the quiet hum of the engine. And that moment when a fellow trucker's lights break through the darkness, it's a reminder you're not alone out there. The NTB wood sawing system, a product of Japan, is the industry's fastest twin band saw. Its pre-log registration feature streamlines automatic cutting, processing logs in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers a compelling solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood mills. Phew, that was a close one. I was worried those big guys were going to take a tumble. Glad everything's okay. A showdown. Man versus tree. They went for the roots, hoping for a lumber jackpot. But oh boy, did they underestimate Mother Nature? I am absolutely blown away by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, and it makes harvesting timber look like a walk in the park. Who else thinks this machine deserves a raise? Mibor SDH chain saw line is an effective solution for the wood processing industry. With the ability to handle logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and an output of 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, the system includes the SDH-D 400 circular saw and the VC 900 DE26 multi-blade saw. Advanced technology ensures precise cutting, improving productivity for medium and large factories. Picture this. The roar of a chainsaw shatters the stillness. A unique scent fills the air, a blend of machine oil and fresh sap. With each bite of the blade into the massive trunk, the sound of wood being severed echoes in your mind. It's a primal scene, isn't it, folks? A towering giant, once a symbol of invincibility, now succumbing. Conquering challenging roads, Ford Cargo 3230 demonstrates its unwavering endurance and extraordinary strength. Coupled with the exceptional skill of its driver, it commands awe and admiration from all who witness its prowess. A majestic pine towers over a pristine blanket of snow. The crisp air crackles with anticipation. The moment this giant yields to gravity, that's a spectacle you won't want to miss. If you liked the video, let us know by leaving a 1 in the comments. It would mean the world to us. Oh my god, what a close call. I didn't think cutting down trees could be this. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the base of the tree was on fire and why the guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. Ever seen a tree disappear in seconds? That's the magic of the Woodcracker CS610. This excavator attachment is a beast, effortlessly slicing through trees with its 360-degree rotation and powerful saw. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for tackling urban jungles or storm-ravaged areas. Plus, its smart tech keeps the chain tensioned and the sawbox happy, minimizing downtime. Ready to witness the power of the CS610? At the lumberyard, the L260H is ready for action. It swiftly unloads the logs, marking the end of the workday for the truck drivers. We salute their hard work and dedication. Whoa, yanking a tree stump with your truck? That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project end up on the evening news.
Oh my god.
A bus is definitely strong, but a tree is just as stubborn. Pulling a tree with brute force alone is tough, isn't it?